The freelancers of West Africa find it very difficult to withdraw their money since paper is not in our continent or is being bounced in most of the countries. So that's the reason why I decided to come up with this tutorial that I'm going to show you guys how to create a Payoneer account here in Ghana. And Payoneer account, after creating it, they request for bank account before your account will be approved. So I'm going to show you how to skip that method and get your account created, and right after that you can go to your settings tab and then change your bank details, and then you'll be able to withdraw your money. So what I'll urge you to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video like this, YouTube will send you a notification. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get down to the business and then let's set the ball rolling. Payoneer offers you 3 bank accounts as an individual after creating the account. So you can get one for US dollar, another one for euros, and then the last one is for the Asian continent. So you can get these 3 bank accounts right after creating this account. So we have 5 options here that we can choose from. We have individual option, freelancing, online, affiliate marketer, and then vacation or rental option that we can choose. So we can choose an individual since we are individuals. All of them works the same. So I'll urge you to go for affiliate marketer, freelancer, online seller, and then individual. So if you are individual, you go for individual because at the end of the day you are going to land at the same place. So let's click on individual since I and you are individuals. So right after clicking on individual, do not click on other prepaid card because Ghana here they don't offer prepaid card for us, but you can click on get the full power of Payoneer to both send and receive mobile global. So click on that, choose that option, and then it will continue from there. So wherever you see the register over bottom, you click on the register button, and then it's going to take you to the registration process. Choose between individual. So let's click and then type in your first name, your last name. Yes. So and then email address. Type in your email address, retype your email address, and then date of birth. So email address. So right after this place, you click on next. After filling in your details, you click on next. So let's click on next, and you're going to load us to another so you insert in your details, location, and then the postal code or zip code for Ghana is 00233. So if you are in another country like Nigeria, you can search for your postal code, and then here you type in your phone number, valid phone number, because they are going to send you an OTP that you're going to use to verify your account. So you click on send, and then automatically the code will be on my phone. So let me check my phone, and then as you can hear, the code just dropped, and then it have 999917. And then right after that, you see where you see next, you click on that, then it's going to load us to another place where you continue with what we are doing. And guys, before next step, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop one amazing video like this, YouTube is going to send you a notification, and instantly, guys, you can implement same method and get same results. So you type in your password, repeat your password, repeat your password. So for security reason, I will show you my password. So guys, let's continue from where we ended up, and this all my details that I've entered over here. You can find your national ID number on your ID card given to you by the government, local government. Yes, so if you are using Ghana card, you can type in your Ghana card number over here, and they have options that you can select between them. If you have driving license, you can use your driving license number, and then passport, you can use it, and click on next right after that. All you need to do is to go to Google and then search for any bank in your country's Visa card, or any bank in your country their account number. So you can copy any number, account number, and then their sort code or routine number from Google, and then paste it. After creating your account, then you change it right away. So let me or so yes, it's 13. Or if you like, if you have a bank account, you can link it straightforward, but for tutorial sake, most of us don't have a bank account, so let's do it this way. Let's take okay, let me type in bank, Ghana Commercial Bank Visa card number, bank Visa card number, Visa card number, and I hit on enter. So we just need fake account number to create the account, and then right after that we can go to our dashboard and then change it right away. So that is it. That's the reason why. So let's look at this. I think this one is the best over here. So we have 1000. The zeros are 4, and then okay, let's scroll down. We have one over here, 6520. Okay, let's type in 65 6520, the zeros, and then what again, 456706, 456706, 45, okay, 456706, and then 938890, 938890. So this is it, and then let's search for Ghana Commercial Bank sort code. So Ghana Commercial Bank sort code, so you can search that in your country. If you are in Nigeria, you can search for any Nigerian bank account, bank sort code. and then their credit number. Yeah. So let's search for the source code, and then we can change that after our account is being approved, and right away we can withdraw and then receive money into our account. So let me come to all, because we just need a code. You didn't need this long articles. So let me come to all. Let me move from images to all. So this they have the branches and then the source code over here. So let's copy this one, which is 04016. Okay, 040116. So just paste it over here and then accept their terms of service. I agree. Okay, so let's type in the bank name. Sorry, Ghana Commercial Bank. So let's click on submit, and then their account is going to be created. So boom guys, as you can see that our account is completed, and now we are waiting for them to review. The review is in progress. So you can see our congratulation messages over here that your account has been submitted successfully and now being reviewed. So we can go to our Gmail and then verify our email, and then you can come back over here and then log into our account and wait for them after some few days, or sometimes it takes just a day for you to receive your message. So let's go to our Gmail and then verify the account. Yes. So guys, as you can see, we have two Gmail messages over here to confirm them. One is to verify our Gmail, and then one tells us that our application is under review. So let's click on the second one, which is we are here to verify our Gmail account. So let's click on that and then verify the email by clicking on verify my email, and then straightforward as that our email is going to verify, and then from there, after they approve our application, we are going to use Payoneer. So guys, this is how basically we create a Payoneer account in the countries where you don't have a bank account. Yes, you can create it without a bank account, implement this same method and gain same results. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you have any question, and then turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you're going to be notified. Until I see my next video, keep winning guys, and don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now.